I am surrounded by colorful baskets, and I'm with Katie at Prairie Gardens. And Katie, this is gorgeous in here.
Thank you.
It has been so cold, and it still looks nice. I know we're inside, but really the color's starting.
It is. Really, you can see the color coming out. They're not really growthy because we haven't had a lot of heat units, but the color's there.
Good.
And they are ready to go home with you.
So we're going to talk about some selections that you could take home for your own home. So start us off with this one. That's really nice.
Yeah, so this is our part shade basket. So this can have sun till about 2, but it does have a fuchsia in it, so it does want that protection from the afternoon sunshine.
That is kind of nice, but then if we have really dark shade, you have something for that.
Yeah, so this is our full shade basket. So that fuchsia on top is called Autumnal, and it's a brand new one. And you can see the bright colors with that, and the begonia really helps pop in that dark area.
It is nice.
Thrive.
Oh, really? That is great. And then for all the sunny places, you got lots of color for that.
Oh, yeah. The sun people always have the best choices. But, you know, we live in whatever we live with, and we'll find your basket no matter what your area. But some of the fun new ones this year, some of the striped petunias. So this petunia is main stage blueberry. So it's got really dark center, and then it kind of veins out from there. And then this next one, everybody's a fan of Bacopa, and this one is probably the largest Bacopa I have ever seen.
It's huge.
It's a Bomba Secrets Bacopa, and it's got a little tinge of pink to it, which is kind of fun.
Very pretty.
And back again this year is our Pink Sky. That is that spotty petunia, the sister to the night sky, which is the blue variety.
That is pretty.
And then in this basket back here, we have a couple of new things. This pink petunia was new last year. It's called Color Rush. It's a very vigorous petunia. And then the blue and white striping is a headliner blueberry swirl. So, and it's actually a cousin of the night sky and pink sky. So lots of fun color this year.
Katie, you all do such a great job of making these baskets, but when we take them home, we want to keep them this beautiful. So give us some tips.
Oh, yes. So regular watering is important, and I know it's hard for people. They think it's cold, it's rainy, they don't need watered. Well, yes, they do. You want to probably watch them every couple of days, and you kind of lift from the bottom.
Sure.
If they're heavy, they're probably good. You can put your finger in there, but you're going to want to water at least twice a week to more as it starts warming up.
Right. And then what about fertilizer? Is it too early to do that? What should we do?
It's not. I mean, they do get fertilizer right now, so if you're to come today and get them, take them home, you probably have about 2 weeks.
All right.
And then we suggest what we use is Jack's Classic 20-20-20. Every 2 weeks, although I do have customers that do it once a week, and they remember, and their baskets thrive and do great all season.
Great tips. And then there's always events out here, so what's going on?
Yeah, so our first event is our Mother's Day brunch, and so Mother's Day is right around the corner, and we do a farm-style brunch on the farm. We do have a limited seating, so if you're interested in that, you can go ahead and start booking and book online through our website, and come bring mom out to a beautiful place with some great country food and just great flowers to take home.
It is so true. So you can go to Prairie Gardens website to sign up for that wonderful Mother's Day brunch and get the directions to come out here and pick up your really beautiful baskets. Thanks so much.
Thank you.